go. These hoes ain't shit. Cause I ain't shit. I only throw money on a Sunday to make the stripper split. Whoa, big Franks, blue bills, 24s on the truck. I'm skating big wheels. And just like that, day 4, part 4. Of course, if you haven't watched part 1, 2, and 3, make sure you go back and watch those videos, man. It's a very good series that I'm doing, man. And you can see the entire process of how I prep the car, clean the car, and paint the car. And of course, if you want to do that to your car, make sure you jump in my DMs on Instagram at DipGodBo. So we can, of course, get something booked. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure, of course, you like this video. But I'm gonna jump right into the video. Today is actually painting day. I'm about to go over the car one more time just to make sure that I got all the imperfections, all the dirt, everything off of the car. Of course, you see back there, I have my rims and everything, my roof rack and my grill. So everything is going to be painted white. This is gonna be a long day, but I can't wait to see the results, man. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this video, man. Y'all stay tuned. So the time is finally here. The car is fully masked. Everything is ready to go. Look at that, I even made a nice presentation. Look at this. You can see, I got the white base coat, the Dip Armor mid coat, and the Dip Armor. Shout out Spray Source, man. Fire ass gun, NKP pigments, the Mardi Gras shift. This car's gonna look crazy. I got my rims prepped over here as well, cleaned. Man, listen, when I tell you this car is gonna be cocaine white, man, boy, y'all niggas ain't ready, boy. Let me go ahead and jump right into it, man. Look at the prep work. Sheesh. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it. Make sure y'all stay tuned, watch the entire video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you smash that like button if you guys like what I'm doing so far. And if you're ready, like I'm ready for this project to be done. On that note, man, let's get it done. So that's it. The car is fully painted. Look at those fucking wheels. Oh! Look at those wheels. Unfortunately, I don't know what it is, man. I don't know what it is, but the wheels are not taking time. We're just gonna leave the face of the actual wheel white and not the whole wheel. I was so mad. Look at this, man. I don't know if the wheels weren't clean, but this is the good, the bad, the ugly, especially when it comes to your personal vehicle. You know what I'm saying? Look at this, man. I can see the flip in there, man. Look at that, man. I want y'all to see that. That's Dick God. Dick God Bow, man. But there's small things that I want to touch up tomorrow. But for now, I'm going to take this baby home, park it in my garage, and just wake up tomorrow morning excited to actually drive the car. So with that being said and done, I'm officially done with part 4 of my video. Part 5 will be coming soon, I guess. The complete like reveal of the car. I'm gonna also, you know, alter the rims because I can't have it cracking like that, man. It's unfortunate. I put the car on dip armor. Like, listen to that. Like, that is phenomenal. Look at the pearl in there, man. Phenomenal. So it's late. It's about 2:20 in the morning. I gotta work in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and head home. I just need to make sure that y'all smash that subscribe button. Make sure y'all smash that like button and drop a comment. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how y'all feel my car turned out. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but y'all drop a comment in the comment section below on what y'all think I should call my car. I'm thinking like Tony Montana. Oh! So with that being said, man, listen, bro, I'm out, man. I appreciate y'all watching me or watching my video until the end. You don't understand how much it means to me, man. I'm out. These hoes ain't shit. This is I ain't shit. I only throw money on a Sunday to make the strippers split.